So first impression taking it out from the case is not the best. Oh my god, I just lost one on my first unboxing. Found it. Selamat sore! Yo guys, Kenneth here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing this Xiaomi Redmi, it's kind of confusing, Youth AirDots. So this is the cheaper version of the Xiaomi AirDots, the black one. I've been waiting for this for so long, and now that I want to test it out, I cannot do it without unboxing it, and I cannot do an unboxing without making a video. So here is the unboxing. Hulk style unboxing, there you go. So after going from this Halo GT1, if you can see from the back here, I really like the Halo GT1, and you guys can tell me if you would like me to review that thing. So far it was just my first impression, but I have a few issues such as connection dropouts, which is kind of annoying with that thing, even though I really like the design, really like the sound. So I'm hoping that this Xiaomi AirDots will make up for what Halo GT1 is bad at right out of the gate. The box is it feels cheap for some reason, and I think the more expensive AirDots, the white one, also has this kind of box, so I don't know what to think of that. I'm used to the box like kind of that Halo GT1, the QCYT one, they have like a pretty nice looking box. Let's not talk about the box, let's just open it right now. Oh my god, I'm really afraid to break this box. I'm opening. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. Manual book, and there's a partition here for charging cable, but there was, oh my god, there is no charging cable that comes in the box with this. So what you get is a Xiaomi AirDots itself, ear tips here, and you've got nothing else but manual book, and that's basically it. It comes with this instruction that says you have to take off the plastic bit shielding the part where it connects with the part on the charging case right here. So I'm gonna take that out. Let me get my Halo GT1 here, and as a little comparison here, this is the size difference between the Halo GT1 and the Redmi AirDots. So what makes most of the difference here is the placement of the earbuds themselves. These ones are placed horizontally and this one is placed vertically. That's why this is a bit larger than the Halo GT1, but it kind of has the same thickness. Probably the Halo GT1 is a little bit thicker, but I grew to like the Halo GT1. This is even smaller package than the QCYT one, and you can just slip it in your pocket and it doesn't show up that much. With this being slimmer, even slimmer than the Halo GT1, I hope the Xiaomi will be as good looking as the Halo GT1 when put inside a jeans pocket. The writings on the back here, I don't know, it just feels like cheap. Really, I'm surprised Xiaomi could really release something that looks cheap, to be honest. But it has magnet on the lid itself, so probably that will hold better than the Halo GT1. Not that the Halo GT1 is bad, but yeah, it's just different. I'll just stop the comparison right now because I want the video to be an unboxing of the Xiaomi. Let's open these plastic bits and, you know, try it out, see how it sounds. Oh, and by the way, one thing, that this is a physical button compared to touch button on the Halo. And yeah, personally I just prefer physical buttons over touch sensitive buttons, so this is not a downgrade for me. It's glowing red when put inside the case, indicates that it is charging, exactly the same as the Halo GT1. Okay, so first impression is when taking off the earbuds from the case, it feels rather flimsy. You have this resistance here that hinders you from taking it. Probably you don't take it just like the QCYT1 where you use one finger and just pull it out, but you use two and pinch, you know, like grab the thing, take it out. So this is kind of a different design that, oh my god, I just dropped it again. So far it looks kind of like the Halo GT1, to be honest. I'm gonna put one on my ear and I really hope that the fit will be good. Right now I'm gonna pair it to my phone. It shows Redmi AirDots _R. I'm sensing that this is kind of like the Halo because it uses the same naming. Wait a minute, everything uses the same naming. QCYT1 _R, Halo GT1 _R. Now I'm connected to the right one. I hope I won't have the same problem as the Halo GT1. I'm gonna play a song. Okay, so now let me take one off. Put that one, the left side on the case, because the right side is the main one. I'll try, okay, so one tap is play and pause. I'm just making sure that it doesn't play on a case. Double tap is going, double tap is summoning Siri. That's different. What does a long press do? Then nothing. What does a triple tap do? Nothing. Triple tap does nothing. How do you play to the next song? Let me consult the textbook here. It's not a textbook. Are you for real? Are you for real? You press once to play or pause the music. You tap twice to summon Siri to like do voice assistant thing. And that is it. You cannot go next or to the previous song. You cannot do volume, so everything will be based on Siri. I mean, really, next song? No gesture for next song? Okay, so what to learn from all these stuff? I can say nothing is perfect. I'm liking the Halo GT1, but connection dropouts has keeping me from making that my full recommendation. To be honest, I didn't expect the unboxing to come up like this. This on the outside seems to have the best of everything. It has a pretty good design, mimics that of Halo GT1, which I really like, by the way. It also has a physical button rather than the touch on the Halo GT1. And also, by that quick listening session, it sounds pretty good actually. They say bass is less on here, but really compared to the other earbuds, these sounds just as good. I mean, it's just my first listen, so I'll have to listen to this more. So no call test for now, but I'll make it in a full review. When I first unboxed the Halo GT1, there was that connection problem from the left side and the right side. They don't connect. This doesn't have it. This doesn't have the electronic sound I heard with the QCYT ones. So it gets really close to being my favorite earbuds, but let's get back to that control. The button presses only play and pause the music and summon voice assistant. I admit that I use Hey Sir a lot more than I need to. I'm just being careful not to trigger any of your phones there. You know, I always use Siri to play my favorite radio station, to play my favorites mix, but to skip tracks, usually I just double tap it. And it's just quicker that way. I just really cannot see using Siri all the time to control volume, to skip tracks, go to previous track. It's actually really disappointing for me to find that out. They want to make this probably like AirPods, so it's only play and pause and summon Siri, or you know, voice assistant, Google assistant, whatever assistant Xiaomi is doing. I guess I'll just have to live with it and try it for the next couple days and get back to you to see what my opinion. I don't think it'll change much, but yeah, I'll test it out for you guys. So that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. I know there are a lot of other videos out there, and for you to watch my video, it means a lot to me. I would like to thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, by the way, so that you will know if my opinion will change or not. It might, but I don't think it'll be. It's like 20%. There is a small possibility it'll change. I don't know. It depends on the mic, and I'll also do a mic test later on. So yeah, please do comment down below if you have any questions. And once again, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. It's so hot.